Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 8th Standard Subject Mathematics.
Good morning, students. Now, exercise 1.1, 8th one is 8 by 9, the multiplicative inverse of minus 1, 1 by 8. Why or why not? Here, first of all, you have to understand the question. What is given? You have to check the given number. 8 by 9 is the multiplicative inverse of minus 1, 1 by 8. For that, how to find the answer? You have to find the product of the given two numbers. Given two numbers means 8 by 9 into the next one is minus 1, 1 by 8. So, into minus 1, 1 by 8, which is equal to 8 by 9 into, this form is a mixed fraction form. So, first to convert into the improper form. From that, you get minus 9 by 8. How to get this minus 9 by 8? You simplify this mixed fraction to improper fraction. For that, you multiply 8 and 1, denominator in the whole number. So, 1 8 is 8. Then, you add with 1. 1 8 is 8 plus 1. So, minus 9 by 8. Now, you multiply these two rational numbers. From that, your answer is minus 1. You multiply these two by the alternative method. 1 8 is 8, 1 8 is 8. Then 1 9 is 9, 1 9 is 9. Here you have the negative symbol. So your answer is minus 1. So here the answer is minus 1 means is not equal to 1. So 8 by 9 is not the multiplicative inverse of minus 1, 1 by 8. So your answer no. So what's the reason for that? Because the product is not 1. But your answer here minus 1. So here our answer is no. Their reason is the product is not 1. Okay. Next sum, 9th one is 0.3, the multiplicative inverse of 3 1 by 3. Why or why not? This sum is also same as the last one. So, here first to find the product of the given two numbers. So, you write 0.3 into 3 1 by 3, which is equal to 3 by 10. Why you have to write 3 by 10? 0.3 is same as 3 by 10. 3 by 10 is a fraction form, but in the question is given in the decimal form. So 0.3. For that you write 3 by 10 into here 3 1 by 3 is a mixed fraction form. So first to convert into the improper form. So you multiply here, you multiply the denominator and the whole number, then you add with the numerator. From that 3 into 3 9, 3 3 star 9 plus 1 10. So you get 10 by 3. Next, you multiply these two rational number by the alternative method. So 1 3 is 3. Here also 1 3 is 3. 1 10 is 10. Here 1 10 is 10. From this you get the answer is 1. So the given number 0.3 is the multiplicative inverse of 3 1 by 3. So your answer yes. Then you write the reason for that. Because the product is 1. Your product of 0.3 into 3 1 by 3 which is equal to 1. So your answer is yes, because the product is 1. Next, home assignment, exercise 1.1, fifth question. Name the property under multiplication used in each of the following. First one, minus 4 by 5 into 1 which is equal to 1 into minus 4 by 5 equal to minus 4 by 5. Then second one, minus 13 by 17 into minus 2 by 7 equal to minus 2 by 7 into minus 13 by 17. The last one, minus 19 by 29 into 29 by minus 19 which is equal to 1. Next, seventh question. Tell what property allows you to compute 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3 as 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3. In these two questions, to identify the property and write their name of each one. Okay, thank you.